Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got something a little bit different for you. Many of you will have been following my witchy videos for a while now, and I have also been doing planner videos using a happy planner system, which is a disc-bound system. I picked up this huge disc-bound notebook from Happy Planner in a D-stash, and I am now planning to transfer notes from my very first very scrappy looking Book of Shadows into here, along with other more recently acquired knowledge, because this will give me the option to take pages out, move them around, decorate them, and have something that's a bit more usable on a daily basis. Whereas this, as you can see, has been used to the point of falling apart. And yeah, so that's my plan. I am probably going to stick this onto a time lapse, and I will come back in and chat to you as and when I've finished a couple of pages. But that is my plan. I just wanted to share this little part of my witchy life with you, and I hope that you enjoy it. So I'll see you when I've done some. So I've done those first couple of pages now. Something very basic just to kind of get me to have a feel for how it's going to be working on paper and putting it in here. And I do recognise that hopefully I will loosen up my creativity, and I will, add more art and decoration to the pages as I go along. One other thing that I did want to share with you today is that, as many of you will know, I have been collecting the witch caskets for over a year now, and these are a collection of all of the scrolls that come with the witch caskets. These are printed on A4 paper, whereas this large Happy Planner is a different size paper. So if we look at the difference, it's not too far off, but there is a bit of overhang. So my plan is to trim these pages down so that I can then glue these on top and insert these into the sections of my Book of Shadows as well. So that will be the last thing that I have a go at doing today, and I will come back and let you know how it goes. And so there we go, we've got this nicely stuck in now. The glue that I've used is the two-way zig, which is quite good for sticking down paper and not leaving it sort of bumpy. And it's not such a permanent glue that if I mucked up I couldn't reposition it a little bit. So I will eventually go through and add all of the witch casket information into here. Obviously I've got plenty of space, lots and lots to fill, and I have got lots more of this book to write out, to decorate pages, and just to try and have a little bit of fun with my Book of Shadows now that I've got the ability to rearrange pages, to take a page out, throw it away if I hate it. Hopefully I will be able to be a bit more free, maybe include more artwork. You know, I've got the punch for the discs, so I will be able to punch any other information that I want to put in here, ritual scripts and things. So yeah, I think there's lots of options, and I am looking forward to working on it. If this is something that you've enjoyed today and would like to see more of, please do let me know down in the comments so that I know if you want to see these videos. Because if you do, then I'll film more of the process, and if not, then I'll just keep it for myself. So let me know, and yeah, let me know if you have a Book of Shadows. Do you work on a disc-bound system? Do you have a book, a leather-bound tome, a disc of shadows? How are you keeping your magical studies and the information that you collect together? I am always interested in how other people work, and the idea of personal spirituality is something that's really precious to me, and so that's why I like to know what other people are getting up to, because I think everybody within paganism and within witchcraft have their own ways of doing things, and that is what makes it so wonderful, so magical and so powerful. So with that all being said, I'm going to leave this here for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this little journey into my Book of Shadows. I will see you in the next one, but until then, stay crafty.